Welcome back, everybody. My name is Andrew, and this is Kite Army. So I just got 5 cubic yards of topsoil delivered to my front yard. The problem is I need it all over in the backyard. So I do own a Ego Z6 battery-powered zero-turn mower, this beast right here, and I thought it'd be a good time to look into a dump cart. The dump cart that I ultimately selected was the Agri Fab 10 cubic foot cart. This guy right here, this should make this project so much easier. So today I'm gonna show you how I use this cart and then how to put it together. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. So next up, let me show you how I put this Agri Fab trailer together. Keep in mind, do not tighten down any of your nuts or bolts until the end. The reason why is some of these pieces don't align perfectly and they need just like a little bit of encouragement. So wait until the end to tighten everything down. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Let me show you how I did it. All right, guys, we're moving on to the fun part. I've just finished unpacking my Agri Fab 10 cubic foot steel dump cart. Here's all the pieces that somehow they were able to stuff in that little box. Anyway, let's go over the pieces that were included. We got the front and back of the cart, the left, right side. Over here, we got the tires. These are pneumatic. They're about 12 inches across. The reason why they're pneumatic is you can fill them with air to actually inflate them. That'll give them a soft ride. You'll notice they are plastic bushings rather than bearings, but that should be okay considering this is for low speed application. Next up, we got the axle. This is a 1/2 inch piece of real solid steel. Next up, we got the tongue right here, which connects from the tractor to the cart. That looks again like decent solid construction. Over here, we got an assortment of other pieces to assemble the cart. And lastly, we got the mandatory mix of nuts, bolts, washers, blah, blah, blah. You can see I'm using a grip mat right here to keep myself organized. This thing's really handy. I'll have a link to this down below. And lastly, we got the tools that we need to assemble this cart. We got a pair of pliers, a 1/2 inch wrench, a 7/16 inch wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver, and one of these doohickeys, which I happen to have, right? Everyone's got one of those. So it is time for the wrap up. Overall, I'm really pleased with this Agri Fab trailer. It's just handy to have around. Now, I did get it for $127 on Amazon. There'll be a link down below. I will warn you, the price seems to fluctuate depending on what the demand is, so you might have to check back a few times to get the price I got. I've seen it go all the way up to $250. Now, for the price, even from $127 to $250, I think it's a pretty good value considering the quality and its capability. I really like the dump feature on this trailer. So overall, I really recommend this trailer. It's a really nice enhancement to my Ego Z6 zero-turn mower. And the other thing I should say about it is it should work with a bunch of different trailers. They say it's a universal connection. So that's it for now, guys. Make sure you leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, check out all my other content, and I'll see you guys around real soon. So if you're not in the mood for all this hard work, that's okay, because there's another Kite Army video right there that you're gonna wanna check out. Let's go.